So after using it for about a month, here's what I found out. Okay, so I had allergies, really bad allergies. Like, it doesn't matter how many times I dust inside the house and vacuum, and I even have like robot vacuuming every day. It doesn't matter. The dogs, you know, they bring dandruff and they bring pollen in, and we take them on walks twice a day, and they bring all that stuff in. They also go in and out of the backyard 10 times per day. So it's non-stop that the doors are open, close, open, close. I also work from home, so I was suffering from allergies literally 24/7. So I had to find a solution. I can tell you that it changed a whole lot of things, okay? Now, this little device on top does not come with it, but it's really handy. It's also made by IQAir, so it's basically an air quality monitor. And so I purchased that as well because I wanted to kind of see what it was doing, and we'll get back to that. I just wanted to mention this right now. Now, we've been using this for a month, and my allergies, I will say, have been cut off by 90%. I still get them a tiny bit, especially after coming back from walking the dogs, which that's normal. I'm outside. But inside the home, it is night and day as far as the difference. So it's really easy to move this around. So if I'm cooking in the kitchen, I roll it down to the kitchen. When I'm in the living room, it stays with me. When I go to sleep, I roll it to the master bedroom over there, and I sleep with it all night. So it's been on non-stop for a month, and it made a huge improvement. For example, you can see that right now in Houston, the PM 2.5 level, which are the particles that are smaller than 2.5 microns, and those are pretty bad for you, is at 54. So it's not amazing. It's in the yellow red. In my home, it's at 0. Like not 10, not 20, 0. And if you can see here, this is what comes with the little guide. 0 to 50 means good. After 51, moderate, etc. And it goes all the way up to like dark purple. 0 to 50, I'm literally at 0. So running this guy nonstop for a month basically made my house, I will say, virtually perfect as far as air quality. Okay, so now let me answer a few questions because I had those questions myself. So how many filters are in the unit? 3, okay? You're gonna have a charcoal filter, excuse me. You're gonna have a HyperHEPA filter, which is their proprietary filter that's even more efficient than regular HEPA filters. And you have the pre-filter. The charcoal filter, if I'm not mistaken, is good for 4 years. The HEPA filter is good for 2 years, and the pre-filter is good for 1.5 years. So you can run that for a lot longer without having to change the filters. Also, right now it is running at speed 1, which is what I have, speed 1 or speed 2 when I'm sleeping, and you cannot hear it. Like, it's very quiet. But if you give it more airflow, so right now it's doing 40 CFM. If I go up to 2, 75 CFM. If I go up to 3, 130, 170, 200, and maximum is 300, which now is starting to be a lot louder. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is kicking some serious air. And that's what I usually have it at if if I'm trying to do the big living room. Especially during the day or like while I'm walking the dogs. If I'm not home, I have it on full blast for a little while, and then when I come back, I put it back down to something like 2 or 3, or it depends on what my monitor says. Now, it also has a very convenient timer, and you can set different time of the day, but also different days of the week. So if you want it to be running every weekday starting at 10 before you go to bed, you can program all that, and it's very simple from the menus, and you also have access to, it comes with the remote. So if you're looking for an air purifier, this is literally like pretty much the industry standard. You cannot get better than this. I mean, it's really, really good, really efficient, and it made a true difference. And the fact that, the quality is great. I know it's gonna last a long time. It comes with a 10-year warranty, which is unheard of. And it's made in Switzerland. So it's quality, you can see everything, like it feels nice, it feels expensive, it's not some cheap plastic, it's really good stuff. So overall, this is a great purchase, and I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.